So at the end of every week, there will be a summative exam in the form of a worksheet after the completion of a tutorial. So this will be after tutorial 1, and when it's completed, it's kind of a way of avoiding passive learning from people copying other people's parts. So because the questions are structured in a way that it's purely recall. So if they've done it, no, they shouldn't have a problem with answering some of the questions. So at the end of the completing of the assessment, students will swap sheets, and then the teacher will go through the answers. So whole class interactive teaching, revealing the answer at the end. So then at the end of that, the students will hand it up, and the teacher will record the scores, make judgments of where students are finding difficulties, and be able to tailor the learning pace and implement strategies for certain students. So it's a formative kind of tool as well for them. So how the rest of the semester will be set up is from Learning Outcome 1, it will consist of the 6 tutorials, one each week, and they will be marked from 1 to 5, 5 being the most you can get, 1 being the lowest, and then the 20 activities outside of lab times, as I've previously shown in the materials source. So 40 marks are there, so 20 is for submission of each one, and then 1 for pass-fail, good quality or not. Learning, I'm going to do Learning Outcome 2 then, which will be the projection drawings for the 20 activities. There will be a mark for submission, and then a 1 to 2, 2 being good, 1 being okay. Then the 6 tutorials, 1 to 5, 5 being extremely neat, the correct order, etc. So then for Learning Outcome 3, this will be from creating working drawings, blueprints, rendering techniques, assemblies, and that'll be marked on a pass, merit, or distinction instead of marks. Then for Learning Outcome 4, it'll be other tutorials from making mechanical parts, car parts, more complex than Learning Outcome 1, and they will be marked from 1 to 5 also, 5 being the most, 1 being the least. So then the marks will come up to a total of 210, and then the minimum to pass the course is 50%, so you need 105 marks to pass the module.